Let's move to the 26th verse of 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. But before that, let's listen to its recitation.
Shrotraadinindriyanyanye Sanyamagnishu juvati Shabdadin vishayananye Indriyagnishu juvati.
In this verse, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna that some people control their senses like the sense of hearing, and others control their other senses and offer them to the God, to reach the God. Here essentially God is telling two different principles. First principle, as it is known as Hindi and Sanskrit, is brahmacharya. It has no equivalent word in English language. It has been loosely translated into celibacy. But brahmacharya is much beyond that. Brahmacharya, brahmacharan, the absolute conduct. Whereas celibacy is only abstinence from sex. Brahmacharan does allow it. It does not stop us from that, but in a principled manner. In Brahmacharan, principles are the most important thing. And others, he says, try to find God by other ways, but always lead to Him only, he says. Thank you.